I being too funny? Anyway, you see what day it is. So I just got home from work, and what am I doing so far? First of all, how y'all doing? Hope everybody's doing well. Happy 4th of July, even though I don't celebrate that stuff, but I will be stepping out today. But before I get started, I wanted to show you a few things that I picked up the other day that I didn't show y'all. Here is one of the items. I got this Eddie Bauer medium V-neck t-shirt. I also picked up these jeans, y'all. These are the jeans I seen when I was with my girlfriend and didn't get them, but I got them today. I got them Sunday when me and Mark went. You had to go on Instagram and check out that video when we went together. And then I got these white kind of like workout pants. Yeah. So also I went to one of these new bin places, y'all, and I found something. Let me know what y'all think, because it's a flower pot. Isn't that beautiful? So let me know. I want to paint it black and gold. So should I paint the top part black and the bottom part gold? Which one should I do? Let me know in the comments. I'm going to be stepping out for a little while, and I'll come back to show me outfit of the day. All right. Y'all, here's my outfit of the day. Here's the gray dress that I bought. This is the other gray dress that I bought. Has the splits on the side. I got on my black shoes. Y'all know I love my black bag. And my hair, I just twisted it here and just left it back out. So y'all know I'm gonna put on my hats to top it off. See that? And my earrings, my jewelry, and then I'll show you guys what he got on. Outfit of the day, real quick. Orange hair. Let me see. Navy blue shirt with polka dots. No, them ain't polka dots. These are rhinos. I think they came from Target bins, y'all. And the feline tennis shoes, old school, and the gray. Oh, so we already dressed alike a little bit. And he got the little, wait a minute. He got the little man bag on. Got anything to say to the peoples today?
Good morning. Have a good day.
It ain't morning, y'all. We got to go. Y'all, I made my own. I took an espresso and added almond milk, cinnamon, agave. I let it go inside the frother, put it in my thing, and I added some ice cubes. I got my iced coffee for today, which tastes really, really good. And I think the flavor of the Nespresso pot I used was the banana nut muffin. I think that's what it is. So guys, we're headed there. If I could vlog a little bit, y'all know how people be. I ain't gonna be all over people's faces, but whatever I can bring, I'll bring. If not, see you another vlog. Yeah, Mark helping them put up something. I ain't gonna be on here long because it's people who don't want to be on camera, but it's kids over there in the pool, as you can see. Okay.
Hello.
Why are you here? Come here, baby. Come out. One, two. Stop. No, that's not it. That's not it. That's not it. No, you need a battery.
That's definitely. Hey everybody. Hey everybody. Happy July the 6th it is? Yeah. Hope everybody's doing well. I know it's late in the evening, y'all. It's 5 o'clock, okay? I'm just now headed to the house. I was just sitting here. I was like, let me get on camera just for a little while and chit chat with you guys. I was waiting on the train to go by, so the train is just now going by. So I'm gonna head home. It's a lot of traffic out here because it's time for the weather girl. Y'all, we've been having so much rain. Sorry if I'm wiggling all over the place. I had to go over the tracks. But yeah, we've been having so much rain. So today it got to like 95 and it's been pouring down like crazy. Now it's not raining, but that has been our weather. Yesterday was Wednesday the 5th. It was hot yesterday too. It was probably around 75, which was great. I got a chance to wash my comforter and hang it outside so it can get some fresh air. Y'all know I'm old school, so I'm all about washing the clothes outside and airing them out. So I don't know what else is going to be in this video. Oh, I got a shout out to Mrs. Michelle and her daughter Tasha. I seen her at Goodwill yesterday on my way dropping someone off there. So hey Michelle, today, happy Thursday to you. Y'all probably remember Michelle from another video, and she's seen me somewhere before. So shout out to Michelle, good seeing you again, and her daughter Tasha. And yeah guys, I might be heading out to Aldi's in a little while. Need some groceries really, so you guys will probably see a video on the channel, on the Simply Like Vegan channel here shortly. You'll probably see it before you see this video, but I'm gonna go on home and I'll talk with you guys. I'll try to pick you guys up later, okay? All right, I'm gonna write down a list. I need to write down a list of the things that I need to get because I'm not trying to overspend at all. So I'm gonna write my list down. I know exactly the kind of things that I think I need. So gonna get started with that. I know for sure I need oranges because I had apples last time. I'm gonna get a couple of bananas. I'm gonna get some OJ. I need vegan butter. I hope I don't have to go to Trader Joe's to get it, because Trader Joe's, that's where I got my last vegan butter and I really liked it because it was only $3.99 and it was not, that's not bad to me. I need some more granola. I need to get some brown sugar, a big thing of salad mix, and I also need nuts. There's some more things, y'all, so I'm gonna try to figure that out before I leave here. Okay, I need some more stuff. Let me see. Y'all, before we leave, can I just show y'all my baby in the office? Look at her. Look at her. She got her new baby. Can y'all see that? Let me focus. Y'all see the new baby right there off the other baby? So this one where my hand is at is new. So that's a part of it. I'm so excited. She's doing so good, y'all. Right here in my little office corner, she's doing so good. Yep, so excited about my newbie. All right, y'all, I think in the last video, I wanted to show you guys something. So I'm gonna show you something I'm gonna do. Y'all let me know what y'all think. So if you can see these pictures right here in the bathroom, I am going to paint these black. I think it would look nice. And then over here, y'all know I have the other silver one. I just think the black would look much better, but just let me know what y'all think about the picture here. Should I do black instead of the gold? I think I'm starting to have too much gold. Don't want to have like too much, but I'm gonna bring y'all in my office again and show y'all. I hope this light don't be too yellow, but I'm gonna show you guys. I told you I had a stash in here. Guys, if you can see all this stuff back here, see all that? All this stuff. I got pillows. These are like my product containers. One of y'all were asking me about my skin, and I use my own products, you know. So here's some stuff back here. If y'all can see, it's vases. There's all kinds of stuff back there, but I'm gonna try to get that cleaned out pretty soon. And I'll probably bring you guys along with that. But I got a lot of that stuff on OfferUp posted. So we will see if somebody decides to buy some more stuff so she can get her closet clean. So guys, I'm about to get ready to step out now, and I'll see you guys shortly. I'm gonna give y'all this is a clear indication why we should not use a dryer. I told you I was gonna wash the comforter. I got that all cleaned out and everything in the dryer. Went to clean it. Look how much cotton come off my linen and cotton Casaluna comforter. Okay, that's why I hang dry my stuff. So tip from me to you, y'all, if it's warm outside, it's nice outside, take your comforters and your clothes outside and let them line dry, or find you a rack off Amazon and hang up your own stuff so you won't get all this stuff off your clothes. That's why you have to keep buying clothes over and over again. Tip from me to you. All right, y'all.
Sitting on the jet, in a cell, sitting on the jet. I lost too many friends, but I want too many.
Hey, y'all. How's everybody doing on this fabulous Friday, July the 7th? It's a beautiful day. Okay, the weather girl. Hold on, y'all. They're working on the streets. It ain't nothing I can do about it. But anyway, the forecast is 77 degrees. It is very sunny. It's a little moisture in the air, but all in all, it's a beautiful day, y'all. It's a beautiful day. Y'all got on my shirt, my V-neck. Did I show y'all this in one of my videos? In this video? In this vlog? I don't know. But anyway, I have on my new V-neck t-shirt. It's very cozy. And I got on my white workout pants. I'll give y'all like a OOTD of the day. But anyway, we're just gonna have a little car chat, y'all. I don't know. I always say I don't know who this message is for. I really don't care who it's for. I don't even care if nobody even want to hear the message. I'm just gonna talk. I'm just learning at this point in my life that you cannot change people. Let people be who they are. Let them choose their path in life and all that great stuff. Just be who you are and always walk upright. And don't worry about the people who criticize you for doing the will of the Most High, meaning the will of the Lord. If you're following the laws, statutes, and commandments, y'all, there's nothing wrong with that. You're not a bad person. You're actually a good human being. And you got people who don't want to choose that, and they will make you out to not be a nice human being, okay? And right now I'm talking about, I don't care who it is, spouses, hint, hint, you know, you're tired, you're sleepy, you don't get enough rest, but then you want to be all smart mouth at the mouth and stuff like that because you're tired. If you have people who you give good advice to, good encouragement, good enlightenment, and they don't want to receive it, that is their damn karma. That's their damn problem. Yes, I said damn. That is their damn karma and their damn problem. It feels so good in life when you come around these individuals or you be around these people and you can sit around them and be feeling good. At the same time, they have to be around and live and sit in their demise, okay? That's their problem. But when it comes to you, save yourself the headache, but worrying about them. Don't worry about them. Forget them, like they don't even exist. And have peace within yourself. That's facts, okay? I'm just giving y'all some advice from myself to you guys. But I'm gonna see you guys in a little while, okay? All right, good people. Hope you guys can see me. This is outfit of the day. Got on my white cap, my white tee, and my workout pants, and my white tennis shoes. So I'm gonna hit the bins up today just for a minute and see what they got. And I'll try to bring you guys along for a few of that, okay? Hold tight. As y'all can see, it's starting. No nobody in here. And some of these bins are empty. So I'm gonna see what we can find. Now I did find some more paper lining that I needed. Y'all remember I have this in the hall closet pantry, so I might get this. But for right now, there's not a whole lot going on, but we're gonna see what we can find. I'm actually looking for, there's a container, like a pump thing for your soap that we bought, and I need the little hose thing to go up in it so Mike can put the other soap thing in the kitchen sink. So yeah, let's continue to look around, see what we can find, and yeah. So here's where I found all the falsy nails, y'all. Look at these. Oh my God, this will fly somebody away. What you say, honey? Oh, those are nice. Oh, these are cute. And I love white. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You gonna get those? They're only a quarter.
A quarter?
No, I mean today is 50 cents. Yeah, guys, great things. Everything is 50 cents. No, today everything is 50. Yeah, that's what someone says. I think so. Everything is 50. No, not this stuff, but the stuff in the, yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get started and show y'all what I got. Y'all, I only spent $2.14. I had got dirt all over my leggings from just reaching across the bins. But guys, people can sense good spirits. You seen that little girl? She just was so bubbly and just talking to me out of nowhere, telling me about the nails. But those were some cute nails, but I told her she can have them because, y'all, it's gonna be hard for me to use the ones that I have because y'all know I don't do fake stuff, but time to time, maybe, you know. But anyway, guys, look at this light fixture. I got this light fixture. I think I'm gonna see if Mark can put this in the bathroom, and then we can take the one in the bathroom. We need a light fixture in the backyard or patio, a different one. But this is so, can y'all believe it? So basically it goes like this. It goes like this. That's nice for the bathroom, right? I can always look for some globes or something, but this is too nice. So I got that. I also got the paper, and I got this natural, it's called scrubbing tins for real kids, scrub dub bubble bath. It's 98% natural for sensitive skin. So I got that for 50 cents. And guys, the kicker is this. I got one of those things that you put to close your trunk, y'all. I don't have one on my truck, so now I have one and it fits. She let me bring it outside and it fits. So that's what I picked up from the bins. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and remember to get out here, find you some bins in your local community. All you gotta do is type in bins and it'll show you, you'll find bins, okay? I'll see you guys later. Y'all, I stopped in this Goodwill and I found this dresser for $4. Now look, I can bang that off. It's real wood. I can bang these sides off. And I can take this off. I'm going to spray paint this black. I'm going to put my own knobs on it. This is real quality wood. So, yeah. Y'all, just stop excited. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna look at another one. I think I'm gonna get this. All right, guys, that piece has been removed. We're taking off those, and we removed the bottom. Wait till the next video. All right, guys, I'm going to end today's video. We got some pizza. Y'all know this is a treat because I don't normally get pizza, but there is vegan cheese on here, mushrooms, and onions, and that is what's for dinner. I'm gonna have that with some salad, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now. Don't forget to follow me on the other channel, Simply Black Vegan. Bye, guys.